One day a shepherd went to the pastures for grazing his sheep. He was looking after them when suddenly he saw a wolf approaching him and his herd all of animals. He got scared, but the wolf did not do anything. He kept moving around the sheep as if to guard them. The shepherd thought that the wolf had changed with the time. Now he had become a vegetation, so the shepherd gave him the responsibility of guarding his sheep and went to take a nap. When he woke up, he was shocked to see that the wolf had eaten all his sheep and had fled the scene.